you guys are anything like me and have trouble keeping the top of your front-loading washer and dryer clean and nice and protected from spills or things falling off of it, this is seriously so awesome. This is the washing machine protection mat. It's made of silicone. It has a lip on it. It stays in place really nicely and it's made of really good materials. So I do want to thank the company that sent me this to do this video for you guys today. It comes here in this box. There's actually 2 of them that come in the box, one for the washing machine and one for the dryer. And then it comes with 2 of these as well. And these are little magnets that stick on the washing machine and the washing machine door so that it props it open, so that if you were to accidentally close it, it stays open and prevents that mildew smell, which is a really nice bonus that it has that in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on my washer and dryer, show you guys how I use them and how I like them. The mat is a dark gray color and it's about 25.6 inches by 23.6 inches and it fits really nice on my 25 by 26 washing machine and dryer. These are front loading. It fits great on top. I love how they don't move around a lot. They have that little lip there that catches any spills. Just feel like really good, nice quality materials as well. I like how they look. They just make it look so much cleaner. It hides all of the scratches and things on the washer and dryer. And I like to put things that I need easy access to on top, and it would look really cute with like a little basket of things as well. And I love having these for spills because I spill a lot of laundry detergent and other things and you can just wipe it up with a towel. And it also is really nice because of that lip. It keeps all the liquid on top without it spilling off of the dryer or the washer. And it's just super easy to wash underwater. It's reusable. It's also treated to prevent dust, which is really nice. It just looks really nice on top of the washer. I also love that it has little stoppers for the washer. This is really convenient with kids who keep closing it. It just has little magnets on either side. You can remove that as well when you want to close it. I love how these mats look on top of my washer and dryer. They're super easy to clean and good quality. So I would definitely recommend these silicone washing machine mats.